Alright, good morning everyone. It's the final day and one lap today. So we completed our journey, the long hard part, but there's still one last thing to do, and that is the dry skid pad. And then we can go over results. All cars are lining up for photos. Figure out where we are. What's our chariot doing over here? We don't get photos?
Yeah, we got a poster right in the front.
Oh, we're in the front?
Yeah.
Alright, finally picture time. Andy?
Yeah.
He's coming. Gold. Alright. Photo over. Poor crash is all sandblasted. That wood's really nice and smooth now, though. Morning.
Tires held up pretty good.
Yeah.
There's a couple spots that are
They're a little flat. Yeah.
We're not going to do well on this skid pad.
Not with it being this cold.
That and the right front's quartered.
No
so the
way.
car's always been a little bit nervous, so I'm not sure if it's
Something is weird on
if the alignment is
toe or
not,
something.
Yeah, ideal,
Huh.
or like I think there's too much toe in. It's driving.
I
like
guess.
That, so
yeah,
either-
right. That's not a ton of camber.
No,
Yeah.
because that's carbon wheels, so they don't flex. You don't need as much camber as
Okay.
the aluminum wheel that
That makes sense.
flexes a lot. The main thing for the carbon wheels is, yes, they're a lot lighter, but there's also super lightweight aluminum wheels that are almost as light.
Like you go to like pro racing wheels and they're super heavy.
Exactly, because
Yeah, because we need them to be rigid.
Exactly. You have a super light wheel and it's deflecting a degree per G, and you're pulling 1.5 Gs, you're losing 1.5 degrees of camber, which like does happen with really lightweight wheels.
Oh yeah.
These wheels only deflect like 1/4 degree per G. So you can get away with 1 degree less static camber. So that means the car brakes better in a straight line, the tire wears better.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's
it. We need carbon wheels on everything now.
it's the way of the future.
What you watching, buddy?
I'm watching the video.
Yeah. Which one of you did this? So yeah, results from yesterday while we wait. Tomo took the top spot, and then Super K, and then Hollis there in third. And Billy ended up down to 14th, and because of our off, we were 25th, I think. So no big change up, but Andy Hollis slowly gaining points all week, and he's hauled himself up into the 4th spot, so he's now the closest person to us. So we gotta be a little careful today, but I think it's gonna be okay. I mean, I know he always does really well on the skid pad, but our tires are also in great shape, so we should be okay. All right, all ready to go. Hula girl, ready for skid pad action. Let's see who's behind us. Yep, it's Kermit. I think they're warming the car off of our exhaust. What'd you run?
Circles.
How are your circles?
Way cooler than everybody else. Did you see?
Yeah.
We saw the
smoke.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's nothing left now.
Mr. Mayfield getting at 1.1. That's the highest I've seen so far. All right, here we are. We got to beat about an 0.2022, something like that. 0.97. Not quite Mayfield level, but good enough. Good enough. 57, that'll do it. Third.
There you go. There's the winner.
Fuel door open and all. What were the 0.955 and 0.978?
Good job, buddy.
Congratulations. Holy cow, you guys got some dirt.
Oh, it's all packed in there. She's a dirty girl.
How far off did he go?
It wasn't that bad.
Jesus.
That thing's softer than Chonkers.
Literally, it drives like a Cadillac.
Same brand.
Our commutes were great.
I bet. You didn't let these all the way down?
I did.
No wonder it was slow.
Otherwise it could go.
There you go. There's your top 3. All right, record live. Awesome, awesome.
Smash that like button.
You did it, man. Podium.
Yeah.
Not too bad, huh?
Too bad.
Not too bad. Pretty cool. Back to the truck. It's still here, although it looks like a bunch of birds lived on it. Oh, back in the truggy. It lives. Cool.
You're right.
Back up about a foot and get a roll at it.
Go, smooth, go. No, you're good. Keep going, keep going. Yep.
All right, and the winner of this run.
Feedback on who should be the Sportsman of the Year. We did have one that stood out. This guy spotted a problem with a competitor's car, sourced the parts, then went and got the parts at 2 different locations, and then brought them back with food and helped them change it as much as they could. Howard the Fever.
Place, we have Killer Coatings, Mike Martin and Ross Bentley. And number 8, 5-2 Motorsports, Corey Deed and Anthony Manganelli. 7th place, little Audi GT at Mackay, Barthen, Brendan. In 6th place, Mile High BMWs, Christopher Mayfield and Martin Melchior. In 5th place, we have Team Borax with Solomon and Beaver Nugget Billy. And in 4th place, we have McLaren with Andy and Hollis. Third place, Shaky Dog Racing with Christopher Lewis and Bob. And 2nd place, the little Honda 2000 Super K Adventures at Alex Moss and Andy Smedegard. And in 1st place, obviously Steve Loudon and Tom Gordon of Gorman. Got our rep.
Finally over. This has been a super cool deal. I've done one lap before, but never like this. And it's been an extra special year for me, being able to bring all of you along. I couldn't be happier for all of my friends and how everything went down. Everyone's safe. And I'm definitely a little worn out, but it was well worth it. Fortunately, it's gonna be back to reality. Back to work tomorrow. We gotta get on the road. Appreciate all of you that watched this series and everyone that subscribed. Hopefully we can do this again next year, and I'd like to have all of you along there as well. So anyway, thanks again, and see everyone on the next one.